everybody, it's Neil and I am in my, just on my couch. And today I saw this, and of course I have to get it, because look at this, it's a USB flash drive, and it's 2 terabytes. How in the world are they gonna fit 2 terabytes on this little tiny flash drive? So let's see if it actually is. And then when it came in a little plastic pouch, and I don't know what to do with the plastic pouch, but inside of it was the flash drive, so let's plug it in to my Mac, which only has USB-C, and this is a USB flash drive. But let's see what we get when we plug it in together here for the first time. So it says it untitled, and let's just get info on this and see, and it is 2.15 terabytes. So it actually is that. I don't even know what I can drag in there. I can drag a folder. This one here's got some videos in it. Let's see if I drag something. Here's a gigabyte thing. If I drag that in there, how fast does it go? Let's see, it's 0 bytes. Oh. So let's see how long it's going to take to drag a gigabyte into that USB drive. So we've done 134 megs. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Probably not. But let's see, it's still going. Oh, I clicked on something. Darn it. What is it? Well, it's still going. You can see it's a quarter of the way done. There it is. So it says. So I'm gonna say it's not like moving stuff from a hard drive to a hard drive. It's moving a gig. It's taking, it says less than a minute left. Sorry about the ring light reflection. But it's going. It's still going. So I'm gonna say it's not the fastest drive in the world, but I'm moving a gigabyte of stuff onto a flash drive, which is right here, which is ridiculously crazy that it can fit that much stuff on there. That's pretty cool. So about 10 seconds left. Looks like it's almost there, and 5 seconds, and there it is. So it made it, so it put a gigabyte drive file onto there. Let's see if I double click it, there, and I can zoom through it. So yeah, I mean, it's there. Oh man, I don't want to do this. But yeah, so it works, and it puts it on there. Whatever, save. Oh, now it's going to save it back to the drive. I don't know what it's doing. But okay, but whatever it is, it does work. So a thumb drive has 2 terabytes. So if you're trying to back up just a tremendous amount of stuff to take somewhere, you may have to set it up and let it go all night. But eventually it'll probably do it, and you can just stick 2 terabytes worth of data on there, bring it somewhere else just in a tiny little drive. So if you're sneaking data across country lines or something, you got your way to do it. But I'm going to put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.